Great quality, amazing finishing, high-end appliances, unbelievable level of details in each and every aspect of the tower, and the amenities are a long story. Today, we are again with Mashriq Elite and their latest project from JVC, Floarea Skies. Mashriq Elite decided to go with a high-rise, a 19-floor building that is going to be really amazing with easy access and easy exit from the JVC, so no traffic, don't worry about that. Very close to Al Khair Road, and the prices will be something really nice. So subscribe, click the like button. I know that you love our videos, and I know that you love what my amazing videographer Victoria is doing. So subscribe and hit the like button, and let's start the video. From the main door, the technology starts with you in every project that you go with from Mashriq Elite. So in Floarea Skies, you have again the same panel with number, PIN code to enter, fingerprint, normal code, card, every type of security measure that you can imagine in a lock, it's there. Now, on the right hand, we have the study room, and I want to take you to the kitchen a bit later because it's really beautiful and I want to show you in details. So here you have the study room, depends on the layout, can be a little bit smaller, can be the same size. We are inside their commercial office and they are limited by space. So some areas might be narrower, some areas might be bigger, just to show you what can you expect in their project. The layout are different. There is plenty of other layouts. The kitchen size is similar, spacious, and the finishing is really nice. Of course, wallpapers will not be on the walls. It's on you, it's not furnished, and I will tell you exactly what you will be getting inside the apartment. Moving into the amazing kitchen out of the study room. Look at this beauty. You can see from the porcelain tile that they are using that looks like onyx marble. Really, when you see it in reality, the first look, you think that there is this two layers of like glass, and then behind it the stones that is given in the onyx marble, but it's a porcelain tile, very durable. You can put lemon, you can put wine, anything on it, it's fine. Wipe it, done, ready. Now we go into the appliances, and here you get everything from Tekka. Fridge and freezer built in, you have the microwave, you have oven, very good size for a one-bedroom apartment, and you have plenty of storage. They didn't lose any space. You have here like a pantry. I really like the way they did this arc around the cupboards, and all the cupboards are soft closing with really deep space. Now we have Alexa got activated. I don't know for what reason, but the house is smart home. Everything can be connected to Alexa or to Apple Home, whatever smart home system you would like to use. In the one bedroom, we will get also Tekka cooking hub with 4 cooking hubs. You have a lot of storage space. Everything is soft closing. The kitchen is really spacious. Like when I first entered, I took it as a kitchen in a one bedroom, but now I'm noticing that I'm standing in the kitchen. Of course, they got it right. The sink, the cooking hub, the fridge, and the oven within one step, and the overlook is really nice. Let me show you from my perspective how I'm in the kitchen. Everything is wide and spacious, a lot of preparation space. And even when I'm looking at the living room, you see that there is really good space for a 4-seater dining table. And if you go with an oval shape, you can put even 6-seater dining table, really spacious. You have the living area, and you can fit again 1-seater here, 3-seater sofa, 1-seater there, floor to ceiling windows that we will talk about, because we are right now in their commercial office, so we are limited by the space and the design of the outer of the building, but there will be a proper floor to ceiling window taking you with a sliding door out into the balcony and amazing views. Now I'm back and Victoria is in control of the camera. As you can see, the living area is really spacious. You will have floor to ceiling windows that allows tons of natural daylight. Again, The commercial office doesn't allow us a lot of flexibility. These panels that you see, and this one, and what is behind the TV, this one, and this will be included. This one will not be, it will be white walls, and the TV will not be. So the soft furniture is on you, and the rest will be included. One of the things also that attracted my eye, the big slabs of tiles that they are using, and that is extra cost, guys. Keep that in mind. The bigger the slab, the more expensive is the material that the developer is using. So Mashriq Elite, they don't have cutting corners in terms of the materials, in terms of the quality of the finishing, and I have seen that in their products that are about to hand over, in the real product that the person will take handover of. Now going into the bedroom, here in the one bedroom apartment, you will see how spacious is the room, the bed area, and then the entrance and the circulation area is a lot of space. What you will get? You will be getting this with the marble stand underneath the TV. This one, you will get the dresser. All of this will be included in the pretty ready at the handover. These panels, all of it that is behind the bed, also included. Now then you need to get your king size bed, put your big bedside tables next to it. The curtains are in the back, big floor to ceiling windows, depends on the layout, might be the entrance to the balcony only from the living area, or both from the bedroom area and from the living area, which is great. I like how each and every detail is thought of, that you have the light and written on it even, and there is like the shape of what this light is responsible for. Really nice touches inside the cupboards, LED inside and both sides, the tinted glass that we are seeing adding a really fancy touch into an affordable product. We have the black trim of the aluminium that we have here, and here also we have LED inside the cupboard, 2 doors with drawers as well, and everything is soft closing. Entering the bathroom, you will see the nice touches of the LED everywhere. Nice sink with the mirror behind it, and you have storage underneath as well for the toiletries and whatever you need. And I remind you, the sizes will be different in the actual apartment. It will be even bigger. We have the rain head, handheld, the shampoo tiers, and you have the LED above shedding light on all of them. Now, the developer is really generous. They did a 1-bedroom show apartment, and they did also a studio show apartment. So let me take you into the studio and show you what you can get for your money. And here I want to show you the studio show apartment, because the good thing is that they are offering 1-bedroom show apartment and studio show apartment, so you can imagine how your next home or your next investment going to be. The moment you enter, you see that there is a good size preparation space for the studio. We have a 2 cooking hub, tekka, and we have tekka oven as well in the studios, which is really good in terms of the size. Deep sink, which is also tekka, the ventilation tekka, and we have plenty of storage above the preparation space, and everything is soft closing. The backsplash, as we saw in 1-bedroom, it's also shiny finish, and the porcelain tile that they are using is really looking like it's type of an onyx, like it's kind of transparent layer at the front. For those who understand in marble, they know that onyx has like a layer which seem like glass, and then in depth under it you will feel the stones. We have also the smart control for all the house connected to Alexa or whatever you want to connect it to. It's ready, comes in the apartment, and it also add value into the property. Whenever you say it's smart home, that's add value if you want to resell it in the future, or if you want to put it on Airbnb. These small stuff, these small details are really important. Now, of course, you have the fridge and freezer built in, also tekka. So we have in the studio really good appliances, really good spaces. As you can see, the corridor entering to the studio is really wide. We will talk about the bathroom a bit later. Now we enter into the studio, same as we got in the 1-bedroom apartment. All these panels, the wooden panel, the porcelain that looks like marble panel and the wooden panel on the side. All of this is included. Now also you get the stand that is under the TV and these shelves, in addition to the mirror and the dresser or the office, whatever you want to call it. So you can see with me, the space of the studio is really spacious, and add to it the access to the balcony, because you will have floor to ceiling windows. Me and Victoria are moving within the studio and we are not feeling any tightness, let's say, in the circulation areas. There is space for you to move. Even when you put the poof or the chair underneath the desk or the dresser, you still have a lot of space. Here they went with the option of a small sofa. You can comfortably put a two-seater sofa that can be extended, and you sit and enjoy watching TV or whatever you want. In a studio, we're talking about like a size close to 400, 420 square foot. It's really good size. Now, many people I have seen, for those who are interested in doing it as an Airbnb unit, a holiday home unit, they are putting a small round table with two chairs here, and it acts as a dining area. You shift from the kitchen into the dining table. Really comfortable. Same also, you have LED inside the cupboards and the tinted glass with the black aluminum frame, adding really beautiful touches. The light, the AC, how it's one line without the fins that is like really in the old buildings, is really, really beautiful. And keep in mind, we have different layouts, and the actual layouts will be a little bit bigger because we are inside their commercial office and they are limited by space into how much they can do within the commercial office. That's why you don't see the floor to ceiling windows as well. Mashriq Elite are handing over their first project, Floarea Residence, very soon. My clients who bought in Floarea Residence, if the ones who are selling right now at the handover, they are making 50 to 55% capital appreciation on the amount that they have paid, because they got in the right time, they got into the actual nice units with us, with the Guerrilla Real Estate, because we have no monkey business in our job. When we advise our clients, we advise them with trusted and highly reliable developers. When I was talking to my clients about Floarea Residence 2 years ago, I was telling them on the safe side, the capital appreciation is around 20 to 30% capital appreciation on the paid amount. They will be getting right now 52% to 55% capital appreciation. This is how we always tell you, we don't overpromise, we are under-promising, to be honest, and we are always keeping the numbers as conservative as possible to make sure that later in the future, when you move into the handover, when you move into the unit, you will say, thank you, Guerrilla Real Estate, you exceeded the numbers that you promised us. I'm noticing right now, Victoria, if you can show, the golden panel that we have here merging perfectly with the tone of the porcelain tiles that they are using, and that color that we have hidden light here underneath the cupboards. Really beautiful touches. Everything is really nice, done perfectly. Bright colors that will stay in fashion forever. No one will enter into the studio and say, oh my God, it's dark or it's old-fashioned or etc. It's fashionable forever. No one will get upset from having light colors. Entering into the bathroom of the studio, check out with me the hidden light behind the mirror and how is it reflecting on the porcelain tiles that is giving the effect that this is really a marble behind the mirror. And guys, you saw the prices, and we will put it again in the bottom end of the screen. You saw the sizes. We're talking about affordable properties, and you have all these details. Where else other than Dubai you get such nice finishes, such nice projects, such amazing amenities for such prices? Dubai is really still on the top of the game in terms of competition with the price per square foot and what you get inside that price per square foot. It's not only numbers, it's quality. So inside the bathroom, you have the shampoo tier with the LED on top, reflecting to all of them, really nice. Rain head, big rain head, handheld shower, all the finishes are fantastic. And I'm really happy with the brass finishes that they are doing in their projects. Of course, the finished product might be a little bit bigger than what you are seeing, again, because we are inside their commercial office. As you may know from my videos before, if you are loyal followers, Mashriq Elite started with Floarea Residence in Arjan, then they moved to Discovery Garden with Floarea Vista, then they did Floarea Grande in Arjan again, which we put on the channel recently, and now Floarea Skies, which we just showed you. The developer is moving very quickly in the Dubai real estate market by proving their quality step by step, by delivering on time and showing their clients that they have fulfilled their promises, each and every one of them. Now, in terms of the amenities, I am honestly surprised that with this affordable price, you will get this high quality of delivery, this high-end appliances, and this level of amenities. The amenities are really on another level. The interior that you will find in the lobby and in the corridor is a 5-star hotel, nothing less than that. So if we start with the amenities, what surprised me, now Victoria will show you in details, the beauty of the swimming pool that is on the podium level and how it's like a lagoon and there is sandy beach around the swimming pool in a residential building, guys. So you can see the level that Dubai developers are providing now for their clients at an affordable price. And we have mini golf as well at the podium. We have sunken seating areas with fire pits. We have dining areas. We have outdoor yoga space, and we have energizing light that is next to the yoga in case you are doing active yoga. Now we go to the rooftop. There is a lot of other amenities that you will see as well. What attracted my eye is the infinity pool that is on the rooftop. The amazing gym, state-of-the-art machines, everything that you will need to have a perfect body and balance to the body and the mind. This is really great. The interior is really 5 stars hotel, guys. Like the people who are visiting Dubai and who are staying in hotels, better for you next time to come and stay inside your unit or do it as an Airbnb, because the people who are staying in your unit, they will understand that they are living in a hotel, not a residential building. You saw with us today the quality that Mashriq Elite delivers. You saw with us before in other videos that you will see here or here, where and how they deliver and what finishing you will get in their finished product. I told you what is the appreciation, and Dubai real estate market is very transparent. Anyone can get this information and see it registered in Dubai Land Department, how much appreciation people are making buying from developers that we always recommend. So what are you waiting for other than calling me, WhatsApping me, texting me, emailing me, whatever you like? Me and my team, we speak more than 10 languages, and we are always happy to assist you to move your business to Dubai, invest in Dubai, move your family into Dubai, or open another investment in this amazing city. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are always ready to help you. Subscribe, share, click the like buttons. I know you love our videos and what we are doing. It will help us a lot in continuing to produce such amazing videos from the fantastic city of Dubai. Take care and see you soon in another fantastic videos.